Good afternoon, class. This is a look at the study team test from Chapter 4. Um, we are well into Chapter 5 at this point, and we're pausing this Friday, the 18th of November, to take the Chapter 4 test. And I just wanted to make sure I posted a list of the solutions for the study team test that I believe you took last week. And you should have copies of this already. The first question, it says the instructions are find the input values that produce the given outputs or find the outputs that produce the given input. So if we look at part A, we're told that x is the value -2, and that's going to flow into this function and produce an output. Probably the biggest mistake that I see students make is they're not aware of the fact that all of x is getting squared, and what x is -2. So I like to show this by using the set of parentheses. So here you can see I've got, that's my x is -2, and I'm squaring that. So literally -2 times a -2. And then from that, I'm going to add 4 times the value of x, which is -2. So I hope this is helpful, but in order for me to really see what's going on here, I like to use these parentheses to capture the entire essence of x. X is not just 2, x is -2. Now, as I evaluate this, when I square -2, -2 times -2 is a +4, and then I've got plus 4 times -2, which is actually a -8. So instead of writing plus -8, I'm just going to write -8. And 4 minus 8 is indeed -4. So that's the output at this point, right? If x goes in, if x is -2, the output, y, would be a value of -4. In part B, we're told that the output of the function is 120, and we're asked to identify what value of x would have to go in to produce that. Now, if you look closely, what we have here is we're told that y is 120, and we're also told that y is this relationship 1/3 x plus 10. Well, certainly it is the case that y is equal to y, so I can use that information to build an expression that will allow me to find x, right? Y is 120, and it's certainly equal to this function of 1/3 x plus 10. So the question is, what value of x will produce this 120, will make these two sides equal? I can certainly subtract 10 from each side. That gives me 110 is 1/3 x, and I can also multiply both sides by 3. And when I do that, I can see that my value of x would have to be 330. So when x is 330 and that's placed into this function, it should produce an output, and it does, of 120. Don't take my word for it. Perhaps plug it into your calculator.